What's up, everybody? This is Okolani and the JournalismIziko team. We are taking the clothes to the Durban Children's Society to donate for the 67 Minutes Mandela Day. Hence, we had a hashtag #iChallenge, and we thank everybody who participated in our initiative on social media, and everybody posted videos. Mandela, JournalismIziko. We are doing this, and yeah. Man, get it. So come with us.
Yeah, good people, we finally arrived after having some complications finding the place, but we eventually found it and we are about to deliver the clothes.
We've spoken to the guys from the center, and now we're going to fetch the clothes from the car, and we're going to bring them back and donate them. So come with us. Yeah, let's do this, guys.
I'm very happy. We've done our part for 67 Minutes for Mandela Day, and yes, we're a proud JournalismIziko team, and we're hoping that next year the next group of students will also do the same, even better. Yeah.
Hey, it's been great, guys. We came here at the Child Welfare Center, and we brought the clothes, and we're excited. And unfortunately, we couldn't meet people who are going to get the clothes, but we hope they're going to go to a very good cause, and they're going to go to appropriate people who are in need of those clothes. We're excited. Thank you so much to everybody who took part in the iChallenge. And again, next time, please be part of it, and also do not forget we're together in this. Ubuntu Mandela did it, and we done did it too at JournalismIziko. Thank you so much for your cooperation and your love. Again, Mandela, and JournalismIziko. iChallenge. Mandela,
JournalismIziko.